Hello everyone, welcome to another video from JDM 24 scale, and today I want to give a closer look at all the work that has been done so far on the interior, engine and chassis of the Tamiya Lexus LFA. Let's begin with some close-ups of the engine. It is pretty much out of the box except for some Photo-Etch badges. You see on the top cover, and also I have added some brake lines. As you can see, those are not included in the kit, and I took idea from the real Lexus LFA Nürburgring. There are still some more details and decals to be attached, but that will come later on when the body is matched to the engine, because the other parts attach to the body directly. Moving on to the interior, the extra items are the seats, which come from the hub design set. The seat belt receptacles down there, those are from extra hub design Photo-Etch. The seat belts, those are also extra. And obviously the most noticeable is the carbon fiber, where referring to the real Nürburgring edition, I have done the door cards, the dash, alright, and also parts of the dashboard. Let me try to focus a little better so that the carbon fiber can be seen. That was then covered with 2K clear. The back of the seats is also covered with carbon fiber, as can be seen. The dash, okay, we have some carbon fiber inside there, and also in the center console, also on the dash, and on the passenger door, that is also covered in carbon fiber decal. The back, just some flocking to the interior floor. The exhaust, it is still missing the exhaust tips, because those will be attached to the exact length once I have the bumper in place, so that I will know exactly the how much they need to be protruding from the exhaust. The brakes, they are all Photo-Etch from the hub design Photo-Etch set, with the standard Tamiya Lexus decals, obviously painted dark gray because they are in real life carbon fiber, right there. And finally, let's take a look at the bottom side, which is also detailed and ready, and it was done according to the real LFA, and also is instructed on the Tamiya leaflet with the gold and some exhaust details. And that is basically it. Took a lot of work, however, I'm happy with the results achieved, because I'm sure that will make the LFA, when finished, more realistic. That is all from me. I will continue to work on the Lexus LFA from Tamiya, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next.